Good afternoon. This is Liz with The Refreshing Point. I would like to share with you today one of my favorite essential oils, sweet orange. I use this oil daily since it is an ingredient in my sleep spray, lip balm, and stress inhaler. Orange essential oil has a fresh, sweet citrus smell and is a valuable treatment oil for many ailments. The oil is extracted from the rind of the ripe, sweet orange fruit by the cold press method. When orange essential oil is used in a blend, it encourages relaxation, optimistic energy, clear thoughts, and overall health and happiness. Orange essential oil contains 85 to 95% limonene. It has the highest level next to grapefruit oil. Limonene has a history in medicine. It has been studied for its effects on mood elevation, stress relief, antifungal and antibacterial properties. Orange essential oil is also antiseptic and anti-inflammatory, which makes it an ideal ingredient in your skin and hair routine. This oil isn't just for acne-prone skin though. It's been shown to increase the ability to absorb vitamin C, collagen production, and blood flow, all of which are essential for anti-aging. Using skin products with sweet orange essential oil over time can smooth wrinkles and decrease the gravity of those not-so-fine lines. Orange essential oil can also be used in a body scrub to exfoliate dead skin cells and hydrate your skin. This essential oil is light enough for those with sensitive skin to use and experience little to no irritation. Make a body scrub with sea salt or raw sugar as your base. Next, add in apricot seed oil and 5 to 6 drops of sweet orange essential oil. Apricot seed oil has a very subtle apricot scent and goes wonderfully with orange. Next, add lemon essential oil or fresh lemon juice. This step is optional, but it's especially great if you're hoping to lighten the appearance of scars. Sweet orange essential oil can be applied topically, as a compress, in the bath, through direct inhalation or diffuser. Use several drops in your palm for direct inhalation to shift mental negativity. Add several drops to bath water to help eliminate toxins, boost the lymphatic and immune systems, and calm the nerves. Add several drops of orange oil to a clean, damp washcloth and toss in the dryer to freshen linens. Add 10 drops orange oil and 3 drops peppermint oil with some water in a spray bottle for a reviving air freshener. Diffuse orange oil in the office or at home to create a pleasant atmosphere. Add 10 drops orange oil and 3 drops peppermint oil in a spray bottle for a reviving air freshener. Citrus oils, including some orange oils, are phototoxic and can damage your skin if rubbed on the skin and exposed to sunlight. I personally enjoy using orange essential oil in my blends. I hope that this information introduced you to some of the uses and benefits of this lovely oil. As always, thank you for watching. Good day and good health.